Are you struggling with faulty vehicles? Don't let diagnostic issues break your bank. For the best price, click the link in the description. /N/N, but here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Autel MaxiPRO MP900-BT. It's not just another code reader, it's a comprehensive diagnostic powerhouse that could change the game for your garage or repair shop. Therefore, if you're tired of dealing with costly repairs and want to unlock your vehicle's secrets, keep watching. /N/N, I've worked with plenty of code readers in my time, but none have impressed me like this one. The Autel MaxiPRO MP900-BT boasts an array of advanced features that set it apart from the competition. It's equipped with a powerful processor, supports multiple protocols, and comes with a comprehensive software package. /N/N, but what really caught my attention was its ability to read and clear trouble codes on a wide range of vehicles, including those with complex systems like hybrid and electric models. Therefore, if you're looking for a diagnostic tool that's versatile and accurate, look no further than the Autel MaxiPRO MP900-BT. /N/N, one thing I was concerned about when using this device was its user-friendliness. I've encountered many code readers in the past that were clunky and difficult to navigate. However, the Autel MaxiPRO MP900-BT is surprisingly intuitive, even for those with limited technical expertise. /N/N, therefore, if you're new to diagnostics or just want a hassle-free experience, this device is an excellent choice. With its easy-to-use interface and comprehensive feature set, you'll be able to tackle even the most complex issues with confidence. /N/N, let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make the Autel MaxiPRO MP900-BT stand out. /N/N, powerful 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity for seamless communication between the device and your vehicle. /N/N supports multiple protocols, including OBD, CAN, UDS, and more. /N/N comprehensive software package includes a range of diagnostic tools and functions. /N reads and clears trouble codes on a wide range of vehicles, including those with complex systems like hybrid and electric models. /N compatible with both Windows and Android devices. /N now that we've explored some of the key features, let's talk about its performance. In my testing, I was impressed by the Autel MaxiPRO MP900-BT's ability to quickly and accurately diagnose issues on a range of vehicles. /N, one particular test vehicle stood out. An older model with a complex engine management system. The Autel MaxiPRO MP900-BT quickly identified the problem and provided detailed information on how to fix it, saving me hours of time and potential headaches. /N, I was also pleased to see that the device is incredibly easy to use. Even for those without extensive technical knowledge, the interface is clear and intuitive. Therefore, if you're new to diagnostics or just want a hassle-free experience, this device is an excellent choice. /N, but don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some of the benefits that come with owning the Autel MaxiPRO MP900-BT. /N saves time and money by quickly identifying issues and providing detailed repair information. /N compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including those with complex systems like hybrid and electric models. /N comprehensive software package includes a range of diagnostic tools and functions. /N easy-to-use interface makes it accessible to both experienced technicians and novices. /N now that we've explored the features, performance, and benefits, let's talk about its value. Is the Autel MaxiPRO MP900-BT worth the investment? In my opinion, absolutely, especially considering the savings you'll experience in terms of time and money. /N, if you're still on the fence, consider this. With the Autel MaxiPRO MP900-BT, you'll be able to tackle even the most complex diagnostic issues with confidence. Therefore, if you want to take your vehicle repair skills to the next level or simply want a hassle-free experience, this device is an excellent choice. /N, so what are you waiting for? Get your Autel MaxiPRO MP900-BT today and unlock the secrets of your vehicle's diagnostics. For the best price, click the link in the description.